Today start a new chemical reaction, dehydration of alcohol to alkene. Look here, all of you. Dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water. Okay, removal of H2O. Of alcohol, simple. HCHOH or here HCOH, next H. All of you, OH containing carbon is a alpha and next carbon is a beta. The removal of OH group from alpha carbon atom and a hydrogen atom of a beta carbon atom of alcohol molecule to form a corresponding alkene. This reaction is called as a dehydration of alcohol. Look here, simply, what is my dehydration of alcohol? The removal of water molecule from the alcohol, also called as a dehydration of alcohol. Simple. Everybody, a dehydration of alcohol to form alkene means removal of water from a OH group from the alpha carbon atom and hydrogen atom from beta carbon atom of a alcohol molecule to form corresponding alkene is called as a dehydration of alcohol. Look here, a simple definition: dehydration of alcohol, the removal of water molecule from the alcohol is called as a dehydration of alcohol. Look here, a dehydration by using a concentrated H2SO4. What is this? This is the dehydrating agent. The reagent which helps to remove the water is called as a dehydrating agent. Look here, next is the alumina Al2O3 also acts as a dehydrating agent. P2O5 phosphorus pentoxide also acts as everybody here a dehydrating agent. Next, thoria PHO2 acts as a dehydrating agent. But in syllabus, a two most important introduce a concentrated H2SO4 and alumina. Everybody, a dehydration of alcohol by using a concentrated H2SO4 and alumina. Look here, a next point. Dehydration, there are the two types of the dehydration. A 1 point dehydration intermolecular dehydration, and second intramolecular dehydration. Look here, both meanings, most important the things, both most important the concepts. Everybody, a intermolecular dehydration means remove of the water from more than one alcohol molecules. Means more than one molecule. Everybody, intramolecular dehydration, only one molecule, only one. Okay, alcohol molecule. Look here, simple. A dehydration, there are two types. First is the intermolecular dehydration and second intramolecular dehydration. Intermolecular dehydration means a remove the water a more than one alcohol molecule. General definition. Okay. And second, a intramolecular, a dehydration means a removal of water only a one alcohol molecules. Look here, intermolecular dehydration of alcohol to form ether, but intramolecular dehydration of a alcohol molecule to form the alkene. to form alkene depending upon temperature. Depending upon temperature. Okay. Look here. In this concept, a most important thing, intramolecular dehydration of alcohol. Okay. The first point, everybody, look here. The first point, dehydration by Eugene. Okay. First point, dehydration by Eugene. Dehydration by Eugene. Concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4. Okay. What is this? Intramolecular. Okay. Intramolecular dehydration. Correct? Yes. Intramolecular dehydration of alcohol. Look here, in case of the primary alcohol, in case of secondary alcohol, in case of tertiary alcohol. You know, a first concept, a primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Look here, simple example. A first example, ethyl alcohol, OH, and next is the H. What is this? Ethyl alcohol. What is this? Ethyl alcohol. The name of the compound, ethanol. Name of the compound. IUPAC name of the compound, ethanol. Look here, simple. Okay, dehydration by using the concentrated H2SO4. Faint ethanol or ethyl alcohol on dehydration by using a 75% of a concentrated H2SO4. Correct? At the temperature 443. At the temperature 443 Kelvin. Remove the water. OH containing carbon alpha. Next carbon is beta. Remove the water. Okay, remove the water to form compounds. To form, look here, a CH2 double bond, CH2 name of the compound ethene. Common name ethylene plus H2O. Correct? Yes. Look here. When ethyl alcohol on dehydration by using a 75% of a concentrated H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin temperature, it gives ethyl or ethylene molecule. Repeat. When ethyl alcohol on dehydration by using a 75% of the concentrated H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin temperature, it gives ethene. It gives ethene. In 11th standard, a temperature in textbook 413. But this is actually in 12th standard, is some concept here, temperature 443 Kelvin. आपण कुठलं लेणार? आपण लेणार आहेत 443 Kelvin. Why? This reaction depending upon temperature. A concentration and temperature. Concentration and temperature. Correct? Questions: what is the action of the concentrated H2SO4 on ethyl alcohol? Look here, a next example. Next example. In case of primary alcohol, all of you, look here, a N-propyl alcohol, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Next, dehydrating a 75% of a concentrated H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin temperature. Look here, a OH containing carbon is the alpha, next is the beta. Remove the OH group from the alpha carbon atom and remove the hydrogen atom from beta carbon atom. Why? This is the adjacent carbon atom of alcohol molecule. Look here, everybody, to form the compound CH3, CH double bond CH2. What is this? Okay. This is the propene, common name propylene, plus H2O. Correct? What is the name of this compound? N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol. Or IUPAC propane 1-OL. IUPAC propane 1-OL. Expression. Look here, in this reaction, expression फिर N-propyl alcohol on dehydration by using a 75% of a concentrated H2SO4 at a 443 Kelvin temperature, it gives propene or propylene. This example is a primary alcohol. Example कशाचे आहे? प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल. करेक्ट? यस. आपणाला हे सहजासहजी एक्झाम्पल आपणाला येऊ शकतात. करेक्ट? नेक्स्ट ए सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल. D is secondary, everybody is secondary alcohol. Look here, example of secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Look here, secondary alcohol. Example CH3, CHOH, CH3. Name of the compound isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Look here, a isopropyl alcohol, everybody, OH containing the carbon alpha. How many beta carbon atom here? 2. Remove the water, OH group from the alpha carbon atom and hydrogen atom from the beta carbon atom. But in this example, both the beta carbon atom are same. Remove the hydrogen atom. Okay, remove the hydrogen, that beta carbon atom, your choice. कुठलाही रिमूव्ह करू शकता. कुठलाही रिमूव्ह करू शकता. Any hydrogen remove from beta carbon atom. Why? Both are symmetrical. Both are symmetrical means, okay, dehydration by using 60% of a concentrated H2SO4. 60% at 373 Kelvin temperature. You know product. Look here, product here. CH3. Next CH. Double bond CH2 and plus H2O. Name of the compound propene. Common name propylene. Common name propylene. Look at expression of this reaction when isopropyl alcohol, IUPAC name propane 2OL on dehydration by using a 60% of concentrated H2SO4 at 373 Kelvin temperature, it gives propane. Reaction is intramolecular dehydration of alcohol in liquid phase. In liquid phase, correct? Yes. Look here, a next example. Look here, the next example. Secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol here, CH3, CH, OH, CH2, next is the CH3. Correct? Yes. OH containing carbon, alpha, and next is the beta, next is the beta. How many beta carbon atom here? 2 beta carbon atom and 1 alpha carbon atom. But both beta carbon atom are different. Both beta carbon atom are different. Look here, a more substituted carbon containing less number of hydrogen atom. Less number of substituent containing more number of hydrogen atom. Remove the hydrogen atom of that beta carbon atom containing less number of hydrogen atom means more substrate. This rule is Set-Zepf's rule. What is this? Set-Zepf's rule. Set-Zepf's rule. Okay, correct. What is this? Set-Zepf's rule. Dehydration by using 60% of concentrated H2SO4 at a 373 Kelvin temperature. It gives a mixture of major and the minor. Major and the minor. Major product CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH3. Name of the compound a but 2-ene. What is this? This is the major. This is the major plus a CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH3 but 1-ene. What is this? Minor. Minor plus H2O plus H2O. Look here, in this reaction, no balance reaction, no balance. No required balance reaction. त्याची गरज नाही. Everybody, name of the compound here. What is this? Secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol. Correct? Yes. Look here, when secondary butyl alcohol on dehydration by using 60% of concentrated H2SO4 and 373 Kelvin temperature according to Sedgwick's rule. According to Sedgwick's rule, it gives the mixture of a but2ene, a major product, and but1ene is a minor product. Okay, a total product 100%. Correct? Near is higher, 80% or 20%. Correct? What is this? What is the action of concentrated H2SO4 on secondary butyl alcohol? Everybody, condition 60% of concentrated H2SO4 and the temperature 373 Kelvin. Correct? Yes. Look here, next example, third, a tertiary alcohol. Dehydration by using the tertiary alcohol. Okay, by using the concentrated H2SO4 reaction. Intramolecular dehydration of alcohol. Intramolecular dehydration of alcohol. All of you, correct? Yes. Means 0.3. Correct? Tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. Look here, tertiary alcohol, specific example, tertiary butyl alcohol, CS3, next CS3. Okay, oh yes. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. In this reaction, OH containing the carbon alpha. How many beta? 3, beta, 3. All beta carbon atoms are symmetrical. Remove the hydrogen atom of that beta carbon atom containing less or more hydrogen atom here. No. Why? This is the symmetrical condition. No any rules. No Sedgwick's rule. No Sedgwick's rule. Simple. Okay. Look here. By using 20% of a concentrated H2SO4. Okay. At 363 Kelvin temperature. Correct? Answer all of you. Next. CS3, next CS3, next CS2, next H2O. Name of the compound isobutylene. Isobutylene, correct? IUPAC names of the compound 2-methyl. 2-methyl, correct? Propene. 2-methyl propene or prop1ene. Propene or prop1ene. Look here, expression. Expression of the reaction here, simple. When tertiary butyl alcohol on dehydration by using a 20% of the concentrated H2SO4 at 363 Kelvin temperature, it gives isobutylene. Correct? Look here, a complete part, a dehydration by using the concentrated H2SO4. Dehydration by using concentrated H2SO4. Correct? Yes. Look here, a next point. In this reaction, you know, JEE or neat point. Look here first. Look here, it is a intramolecular dehydration of alcohol. It is intramolecular dehydration. Look here, second reaction. Look here, the reaction occurs in liquid phase. Reaction occurs in liquid phase. And third point, JEE, in this reaction, a order of reactivity of alcohol is. Order of dehydration of alcohol is here. 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree alcohol. Okay, tertiary alcohol is greater than a secondary alcohol is greater than primary alcohol. Correct? What is this? Intramolecular dehydration of alcohol by using a concentrated H2SO4 type. Correct? Yes.